Imagine starting your day with purpose and clarity. Picture yourself waking up with a sense of calm and direction, ready to face whatever comes your way. Imagine facing challenges with strength and wisdom. Envision yourself tackling obstacles with a composed mind and a resilient spirit. This is the power of stoicism. It offers a way to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and fortitude. Stoicism is an ancient philosophy that teaches us to live our best lives. It provides timeless wisdom that is still relevant today. It emphasizes virtue, reason, and living in harmony with nature. These principles guide us to make better choices and lead more meaningful lives. By adopting simple Stoic habits each morning, we can transform our lives. These practices help us start the day with a positive mindset. We can cultivate inner peace and resilience. These habits build a foundation for emotional stability and mental strength. In this essay, we will explore 7 Stoic habits to incorporate into your morning routine. These habits are designed to enhance your well-being. These habits are not just rituals. They are intentional practices that foster personal growth and self-improvement. They are powerful tools for personal growth. Each habit is a step towards becoming a better version of yourself. They are based on the teachings of great Stoic thinkers like Marcus Aurelius and Seneca. Their wisdom has stood the test of time. By practicing these habits, you can tap into the wisdom of Stoicism. You can apply these timeless principles to modern life. You can live a more fulfilling and meaningful life. These habits help you find joy and purpose in everyday moments. So let's begin our journey towards a better day, every day. Embrace these Stoic habits and transform your mornings. The first Stoic habit is to start your day with gratitude. This simple yet profound practice can transform your mindset and set a positive tone for the entire day. Take a few moments to reflect on the good things in your life. Think about the people who bring you joy, the experiences that have shaped you, and the small pleasures that often go unnoticed. Be thankful for your health, your loved ones, and the opportunities you have. This practice of gratitude helps to shift our focus from what we lack to what we have, fostering a sense of contentment and peace. Gratitude shifts our focus from what we lack to what we have. It encourages us to appreciate the present moment and recognize the abundance in our lives. It sets a positive tone for the day ahead. By starting your day with gratitude, you are more likely to approach challenges with a calm and balanced mindset. Next, plan your day with Stoic wisdom in mind. Consider what is truly important and prioritize tasks that align with your values and long-term goals. Marcus Aurelius said, "Our actions may be impeded, but there can be no impeding our intentions or our dispositions." This reminds us that while external events are beyond our control, our inner responses are always within our power. Focus on what you can control, your actions and your responses. By doing so, you maintain your inner peace and resilience, regardless of external circumstances. Anticipate obstacles and prepare for them mentally. Visualize potential challenges and think about how you will handle them with grace and composure. By having a plan, you are more likely to stay focused and avoid distractions. This proactive approach helps you navigate your day with purpose and clarity, ensuring that you make the most of every moment. The third habit is to practice mindfulness or meditation. Find a quiet space and focus on your breath. Observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Mindfulness helps to calm the mind and reduce stress. It allows you to start your day from a place of peace and clarity. After mindfulness, delve into the wisdom of Stoic philosophy. Read a passage from a Stoic text like Marcus Aurelius's Meditations or Seneca's Letters from a Stoic. Reflect on the teachings and how they apply to your life. These ancient texts offer timeless advice on virtue, reason, and living a good life. Instead of creating a to-do list, set intentions for the day. Think about the kind of person you want to be and the values you want to embody. Ask yourself, how do I want to show up today? What qualities do I want to bring into my interactions and tasks? Focus on embodying Stoic virtues like courage, justice, and wisdom. These principles can guide you through both easy and challenging times. Intentions provide a guiding principle for your actions and decisions. They help you stay aligned with your core values. Embrace discomfort as a way to build resilience. Take a cold shower, go for a run, or challenge yourself mentally. These small acts of courage prepare you for bigger challenges. By voluntarily facing discomfort, you build mental strength and prepare yourself for life's inevitable challenges. This practice makes you more adaptable and resilient. Finally, take some time in the evening to review your day. Reflect on your actions and thoughts. Did you live up to your Stoic principles? What went well? What could you have done better? This reflection helps you learn from your experiences and grow as an individual. It's a crucial step in personal development. By incorporating these 7 Stoic habits into your morning routine, you can start each day with purpose, resilience, and wisdom. These habits set a strong foundation for a fulfilling life. Remember, the path to a fulfilling life begins with a single step. Each small action contributes to your overall growth and well-being. Take that step today and embrace the transformative power of Stoicism. Let it guide you towards a more meaningful and resilient life. Embrace the journey and let each day be a testament to your growth and commitment to Stoic principles.